Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to be discussing how to design a, a search page for a program using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So as you can see, this is a normal home page here with a usual header and banner, and you can see we have this search input bar here, and we have a text field here, input field, and we have a select input field here. So I'm going to select cell phones and accessories, and for example let's type in the value A, and we have all the values appearing which are from A to from A. So you can see there are 6 results per page and 13 results in total which have at least one A in it. So these are all cards using the Bootstrap process, and we have a navigation bar here which we can use to change the pages, and we can try typing something else. For example, let's just use Sam, and we are getting only 3 images here. So this is for Samsung. We have all the images or all the products matching the string value Samsung, or anything which starts with Sam or which has the path Sam included in it. Similarly, if we type Apple, we get all which have Apple included here. So this page is basically made within the home page, and here you can see that we have our usual header, and we have a usual footer, and we have a navigation bar and a set of 6 cards per page. So that is it for the design of this video. Let's move on to the code on how we created this design. So this is the HTML coding of our page. So as it's made in our home page, this is the code for the home page, and in our home page we have made an input class and given it the ID basic search text, and we saw the select class which included all our categories within our database, within the scope of our database. So in that we have a selected value, or the value which we select, and it's given the ID basic search select, and we'll be getting to choose from the categories such as cell phones and accessories, computers and tablets, etc. All the categories which we have mentioned, those will be echoed within the drop down of our select bar. So moving down, we have a search button, which is a blue color button, which is from Bootstrap. Button primary means a blue button, and we have on-click JavaScript function. We've given it the name basic search, and it has the value with it, value within it 0, and yeah, that is it for this home page. Let's move on to our JavaScript, where we have written our basic basic search function. We've given it the value x because it's an integer, and we have taken our 2 IDs which we have given, basic search text and basic search select, and tied them to variables var text and var select. So here we have opened up a new form, varf new form data. So the variable f will be the form, and we are attaching our values text dot value to the PHP string, PHP value variable value s t, then select it with s, and the page as x. So this will open, and then we open a new XML HTTP request response, and here it will open up as a post process within our basic search process.php as an AJAX response. So here this form will be sent, the form f will be sent to the PHP side or the backend of our server, and then we have here when our ready state changes, we have initiated a function at the ready state change. If it's 4, then our variable t will be response text, and here we are taking our basic search result, and we are taking it to a basic search process, and as you can see we have our cards loading here, So here we have our basic card. We have linked our whole database and added a few queries. So all the queries from the product section with 6 results per page, as we mentioned in our design. We'll have our cards open in here. So these are Bootstrap cards, which are taken from Bootstrap, and here we have our image code taken from the database, and we'll be getting that image posted when we have our title here. We have a price, and we have our items, and we have our buy now button. So that is how it that is how it is designed. Our search page, and here we have a finally we have a navigations which can change with our values up. So if you have more than six search results, then we will get at least two navigation bars where we can switch and toggle our pages. That is it for this video on how to design our search page. Thank you for watching.